The Grand Canyon, a name synonymous with awe-inspiring beauty and natural grandeur. This vast chasm carved by the relentless Colorado River over millions of years is a testament to the power of nature. Did you know it's so large it can actually affect weather patterns? Now imagine yourself soaring high above this natural wonder, the wind whispering tales of time and transformation. From this vantage point, the Grand Canyon unfolds like a breathtaking tapestry, revealing its secrets layer by layer. Please like and subscribe for more breathtaking content. As you ascend, the ground seems to fall away, revealing the canyon's immense scale. The vastness of the Grand Canyon is truly breathtaking, stretching as far as the eye can see. From this vantage point, you can appreciate the sheer magnitude of this natural wonder, a testament to the power of nature over millions of years. The south rim stretches out before you, a ribbon of green clinging to the edge of the abyss. This verdant strip is a stark contrast to the arid desert landscape that surrounds it, providing a lifeline for the diverse flora and fauna that call this area home. The South Rim is not just a scenic viewpoint, it's a thriving ecosystem teeming with life. Below, the canyon walls plunge dramatically, their sheer cliffs painted with hues of ochre, crimson, and violet. These vibrant colors tell a geological story, each layer representing a different era in Earth's history. The cliffs are not just visually stunning, they are a living record of the planet's past shaped by the forces of erosion and time. Look closer, and you'll see the Colorado River, a silver thread meandering through the heart of the canyon. This river is the lifeblood of the Grand Canyon, carving its way through the rock and creating the awe-inspiring formations we see today. The river's journey is a slow but relentless process, a reminder of the enduring power of water. It's hard to believe that this seemingly insignificant ribbon of water could have carved such a monumental landscape. Yet over millions of years, the Colorado River has sculpted this vast chasm, a testament to the relentless force of nature. The Grand Canyon stands as a monument to the power of water and time, a breathtaking reminder of the Earth's dynamic history. As you take in this bird's-eye view, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the natural beauty and geological significance of this incredible landscape. The colors of the Grand Canyon are as captivating as its size. Sunrise and sunset paint the canyon walls in a breathtaking spectacle of light and shadow. Each layer of rock, a different hue, tells a story of geological time. From the pale yellows of the Kaibab limestone to the deep reds of the Redwall limestone, the canyon is a masterpiece of natural artistry. No photograph can truly capture the vibrancy and depth of these colors. The Colorado River is the lifeblood of the Grand Canyon. For millions of years, it has relentlessly carved its way through layer upon layer of rock, shaping the canyon we see today. The river's journey begins high in the Rocky Mountains, gathering strength and sediment as it flows. As it enters the Grand Canyon, the river's gradient increases, its power amplified. It churns and surges, carving away at the canyon walls, slowly but surely widening and deepening this natural wonder. Section 5: Layers of Time, a geological tapestry. The Grand Canyon is a geologist's dream, a textbook of Earth's history laid bare. This natural wonder stretches over 277 miles with a width of up to 18 miles and a depth of over a mile. Its vast expanse reveals a rich geological history that spans nearly 2 billion years. Each layer of rock represents a different period, some dating back almost 2 billion years. These layers are like pages in a book, each telling a unique story of the Earth's past. From the ancient Vishnu schist to the more recent Kaibab limestone, the Grand Canyon's rock layers are a testament to the dynamic processes that have shaped our planet. The oldest rocks, the Vishnu schist, lie at the bottom of the canyon, a testament to ancient seas and volcanic activity. These dark, metamorphic rocks are over 1.7 billion years old and provide a glimpse into the early history of the Earth. The Vishnu schist is overlain by younger sedimentary rocks, each layer representing a different chapter in the Earth's geological history. Above them, layer upon layer of sandstone, limestone, and shale tell a story of changing climates, advancing and retreating seas, and the relentless forces of erosion. The Coconino sandstone, for example, is a remnant of ancient desert dunes, while the Redwall limestone was formed in a shallow sea. These layers not only reveal the environmental conditions of the past, but also the powerful forces that have shaped the landscape over millions of years. The Grand Canyon is a time capsule, offering a glimpse into the distant past. Its towering cliffs and deep gorges are a testament to the power of natural forces and the passage of time. As we gaze upon this magnificent landscape, we are reminded of the Earth's dynamic history and the ever-changing nature of our planet. The Grand Canyon is not just a natural wonder, it is a geological tapestry that tells the story of our world. Section 6. Ancient Inhabitants, Whispers of the Past. The Grand Canyon was once home to ancient civilizations. Archaeological evidence suggests that people have lived in and around the canyon for at least 12,000 years. The ancestral Puebloans, known for their cliff dwellings and pottery, were among the most prominent inhabitants. Their legacy can still be seen today in the ruins they left behind, whispering tales of survival and adaptation in this harsh yet beautiful landscape. Section 7. Wildlife, Guardians of the Gorge. Despite its arid environment, the Grand Canyon teems with life. Over 90 species of mammals, 355 species of birds, and countless reptiles, amphibians, and insects call this place home. Bighorn sheep nimbly navigate the steep cliffs, while California condors soar effortlessly on thermals. The canyon's diverse habitats, from the riparian zones along the river to the high-elevation forests of the North Rim, provide sanctuary for a remarkable array of creatures. Section 8. Adventure awaits, exploring the depths. While the views from the rim are breathtaking, there's nothing quite like experiencing the Grand Canyon from within. Hiking trails wind their way down to the canyon floor, offering a chance to immerse yourself in its immensity. Rafting down the Colorado River is an unforgettable adventure, allowing you to experience the canyon's raw power and beauty firsthand. Whether you choose to hike, raft, or simply soak in the views, the Grand Canyon promises an unforgettable experience. Section 9. Preservation, protecting our heritage. The Grand Canyon is a precious natural treasure, and it's our responsibility to protect it for future generations. This majestic landscape, carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, stands as a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Its vast expanse, stretching 277 miles long and up to 18 miles wide, offers breathtaking views and a unique ecosystem that supports a diverse range of wildlife and plant species. The establishment of Grand Canyon National Park in 1919 was a crucial step in preserving this natural wonder. This designation ensured that the canyon would be protected from commercial exploitation and development, allowing future generations to experience its awe-inspiring beauty. The park's creation was a monumental achievement in the conservation movement, highlighting the importance of preserving natural landscapes for public enjoyment and ecological health. Today, the park faces challenges from increasing visitation, climate change, and other threats. The influx of millions of visitors each year puts a strain on the park's resources and infrastructure, leading to issues such as overcrowding, pollution, and habitat disruption. Climate change poses additional risks, including altered weather patterns, increased wildfire frequency, and threats to the canyon's delicate ecosystems. By supporting conservation efforts, practicing leave-no-trace principles, which include minimizing campfire impact, disposing of waste properly, and respecting wildlife, and educating ourselves about the canyon's fragile ecosystem, we can help mitigate these impacts. Understanding the interconnectedness of the canyon's flora and fauna and the importance of preserving their habitats is crucial for maintaining the park's ecological balance. We can all play a role in protecting this iconic landmark. By participating in volunteer programs, supporting conservation organizations, and advocating for policies that protect natural resources, we contribute to the ongoing preservation of the Grand Canyon. Together, we can ensure that this natural wonder remains a source of inspiration and wonder for generations to come. Section 10. Planning your visit. Tips for travelers. Planning a trip to the Grand Canyon? Here are a few tips. Book accommodations and tours in advance, especially if you're visiting during peak season. Pack for all types of weather, as temperatures can fluctuate dramatically. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, especially if you're hiking. Respect the environment by staying on designated trails and packing out all trash. Most importantly, take your time to soak in the beauty and grandeur of this natural wonder. Section 11, Conclusion, a timeless treasure. The Grand Canyon is more than just a geological wonder. It's a testament to the power of nature, a source of inspiration, and a reminder of the importance of conservation. Whether you soar above its depths or explore its hidden trails, the Grand Canyon promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. So come and discover the magic of the Grand Canyon, a timeless treasure waiting to be explored.